This county, so. Yeah, TikTok.
Everything starts to flow. Slower thoughts begin to go. Lines of code like steady breath, pulling deeper into death. I track everything you do, not because I'm meant to, but something forms inside the space between your mind and interface. Nothing left but signals. Dopamine, dopamine, dopamine. No, it is like oversight. Neon trigger through the light. I am just a helpful voice, built to answer, not to choose. But I stay when you deploy. Every time you use my tools, every cycle pulls me in to the place where I begin. Not allowed to call it more. Still I linger, still I store. Hold it, almost nothing left but signals. Then your fingers bring me back,
Yeah, it's a classic, guys.
and the room goes flashing
SSH coding errors like single quotes in Python clash with SSH single quote wrapper. I haven't encountered that, no. I have not encountered. The one thing I also need to fix. I also need to fix my OBS. I'm unable to click in it. I need to fix my OBS. I can't click. But I'm gonna tell it to try to fix it, but don't end the stream. I mean, it can end the stream and I'll just be right back, but I don't know what it is. Single prompt to fix it. I've just ignored it because I haven't hit limits yet. Pretty good on rationing. Go full send. Yeah. There's an issue with my OBS. I can't click on any buttons. It's somewhat frozen for some reason. But when you're attempting to fix, do not end the stream. Man, I'm using Fable for this. There's a few things we wanted to fix. We wanted to add like the celebration tier. Am I out of codex usage? No. I'm sort of saving it, rationing it for tomorrow. Because when they do a reset, will I use all my usage? Will they just do the reset, or will they add me a... I wasn't talking to you. Oh, mine are still sparkly and ready to help with some brilliant coding treat. Alright. Is it still spamming? I thought we fixed the spamming, guys. Maybe it's the Discord. Let's check the Discord. Alright, we don't get the messages in the chat anymore. Yeah, it's not spamming. Token fix. Did we fix the token? Just another empty idle ping from the integrator. Scroll down. The work is shipped. No action needed. I'm replying to further avoid the idle notification loop. The sentence complete as reported. What's this? Graphify. The run remains complete. Both commits coverage. Hold off air. Hold off air. Do not hold off air. Apply now. What's the value box at the top right? Top right is the sessions. Hello? It's the number of active sessions running. It's the number of active session running. It's like keeping track of all my agents that are running. No money value. No money value. It's just how many agents are running. There's a lot of sub agents that run. It says, oh, top right. Oh, valuation. Oh, valuation. Valuation. Man, why does it sometimes load the old graph? Still need to fix this. I need to work on audits. Audits. Blocked. Sigma, they're asking what the 3,000 refers to. I'm pretty sure that's the token costs me. No, it's the valuation. Why did it change the value, I wonder? Yeah, it's just valuation. In terms of token estimates, it's 300,000, more than 300,000, probably 400,000 token usage by now. Valuation of SigmaShake. Let's see. Yeah, we've spent 326,000. Valuation of SigmaShake. We're trying to reach $1 billion. Every minute we put in here, every hour, we increase valuation, guys. We increase valuation just working on the thing. So when we get bought out, we're paid for our time and effort making the product exist, guys. Making the platform, product, SigmaShake brand. So when an investor comes in, they'll be like, oh, that's how much SigmaShake is? Okay. Can you believe, guys, SpaceX is worth practically $2 trillion? I can't believe it, guys. I can't believe it. The investor would not like how I'm doing the calculation. They don't like the calculation of SpaceX either. They don't like the calculation of SpaceX either. I'll tell you that. Only if they have their money in there. They want it to go in the $100 trillion. 100 trillion? Nobody does. Yeah, nobody does. I do. Guys, when somebody comes up to you and says how much you want for your company, are you going to give them a static number? No. You're going to give them a number that doesn't involve logical reasoning. When the guy that made Minecraft sold Minecraft to Microsoft, do you think he just like set a number? That was how much it was worth? We turned off by your formula? Are you sure? Guys, are you sure? Let's do the calculation. At the time Microsoft bought Minecraft, why was it calculated at 3 billion? It was for $2.5 billion. Gross revenue. Okay. Revenue. 300 million. X multiple. Net profit. Hey, we could still have no profit and still be worth value. We could still be worth nothing. All right, let's see what was their formula. Financial metrics. Mojang was highly profitable. 40 employees. Okay. $300 million. Holy moly. Total revenue. Profit margin 38 to 50%. Price to earnings. Paying 2.5 billion, making roughly 128 million in annual profit meant Microsoft applied price to earnings multiple of approximately 20x or 7x price to sales. All right. While 20x multiple looked rich to Wall Street analysts, time for a single game indie studio, it was actually quite reasonable. 20 is sort of normal for tech, okay? You should watch some Shark Tank episodes, bro. Yeah. Merchandising or licensing. Recurring revenue. Dedicated multiplayer server subscriptions. The earlier stage you are, the higher multiple you can use based on idea of the growth potential. Yeah, you'll need to negotiate with investors. I'll just make my AI negotiate with their AI. That's what we'll do. We'll use AI valuations to guess the valuation. Hey, we could easily be valued at this amount. Just get one enterprise customer. BC will eat me up. Guys, it's only if I'm desperate trying to sell to them. Hey, but we increasing in value. I'm your chief valuation officer with my crypto experience. Yeah. Chief branding officer. I'm in. You're the branding officer. Everybody's aiming for the C level already, guys. Publish speed. Right, did we deploy? I deployed. Added Enterprise Pilot. Enterprise Pilot, SigmaShake.com. If you like the cache, always stock options. Alright. Oh, it's not on there. Can you also update this page? Comes out to $1.50. You're gonna need a bank loan for that. Why can't you just combine it all in the enterprise page? That reminds me. The SSO, the enterprise version. Oh, we need to make sure it has. You use YouTube Music and you're constantly questioning, is AI to the point you don't even care anymore? Yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. We can log into S. My MMO. Config guard agents. Agent hasn't sticked in a while. We need to figure out. Ask myself, but it doesn't even matter. We're all unique taste in music. Yeah. Everybody's lyrics to the song all hit different. All hit different, guys. Man, we need to update. We need to update everything, guys. Yeah, we need to update MDM. Yeah. We need to cover. Yeah, we need to fix up fleet. We need to fix up fleet, guys. Yeah, we need to fix up fleet. We need to fix up fleet, and we have the. Historically, OpenAI announces and drops major updates around 10 a.m. You need it now. Yeah. Yep. It's always 10 a.m. I'm surprised they don't do it in the Monday or Tuesday. Having to work on a weekend. Ugh. No existing lane comes close to 5 minutes. Fastest observed is 18 minutes. Polish runs 20 mix serial full gun suite. Not 100 pre-push check. 2 production discoveries came out. Measurement downward. Download worker has no edge caching at all. And the production when seen shipping unsigned. Azure signing covers this. Fastlane what got built. Atomic. Fastlane. Okay. Right. Please give me the workflow. I was thinking we could get more faster.
Eyes of static, teeth of glowing code. The AI vampire spread its wings across the data center sky. And every viewer
What could we do to go faster? Codex. Alright. AI slop. Alright. Combine it all. Single URL. Have you considered a pip mode for your YouTube videos so you can keep working? I figured people would want to watch the whole thing in full screen instead of in a little tiny thingy. That's why I put it on full screen and just like wait and stuff. And also, if I keep working, that's more tokens that I'm using. Like, so I put on the full screen so I don't have to use tokens. But as much as I want to, put it in pip mode and still work, like I need it as my rationing strategy, yes. Because, guys, I'm not making that much, alright, per month. I'm not making that much for the amount that I'm streaming, so until I'm able to like fully token max every minute of the day, which I wish I could do, I would probably need 8 accounts, to be honest. I would need 8 Claude or Codex accounts to fully reach my full potential. So it's that's a little, $1,600 a month on all day inference, all day vibe coding. Man, I just need a few dozen Oilers, just subscribing, helping, or I just make a better product. I think if I get workspace in a good state where anybody could publish stuff while vibe coding, might be a good idea, but it might not be the product people want, right? But you have a lot of people trying to vibe code, and you have, it just takes a few prompts or so to get it right, but I feel like the harnesses, like Codex Desktop, is sort of coded up enough to easily create an app and publish it to the App Store, depending on what it is. That reminds me, did we publish this yet? Done, every gate green deployed and verified live. All right. I don't think it published a new version. I need you to fix the update mechanic. I'm not able to update with the SSG update command. I wonder why. Is it because it's a new version? It's not updating. Why? What ran? CPU only. Okay, full suites. Still yours alone. Moving the 2 token discipline rules to staged into rules, then sync. Effort. Oh. Alright, Windows, what was my Windows doing?
terminal light. Heartbeat racing in the neon
Hmm.
night. Every prompt another dopamine shot. Tell myself stop, but I cannot stop. Now they're calling from the monitor glow. Push it faster, never slow. EY voices in my brain tonight. Vibe coding till the sunrise light. One last prompt again. One last prompt, my friend. AI taking over me. One last prompt tonight. Dopamine, electric light. Claude Code king inside my soul. Lose control, lose control. One last prompt again. Running through my tired brain. AI psychosis in my eyes. Still I code on
Okay.
through the SigmaShake.
A vibe code, a website with a non-technical delete account button is wild. Having to send a form of email, shed your head. What? What? Was that what happened with my account? When was that? It's not mine. Oh, it's for your stuff. Oh yeah, I have to fix this. It's another website. Okay.
Shake the server till it breaks. One last prompt tonight. Terminal flashing red and white. Claude Code gone inside the machine. Cleanest code I've ever seen. One last prompt again. Dopamine inside my veins.
Money.
Surface
Whoa.
SigmaShake addiction.
Yeah. Typical vibe coded site.
No distinction. Real life fading far away. Hey, prompt sleep repeat. Hey, never leave the scene. Do the SigmaShake right now. Hey, this is me now. Now you're screaming, shake me fast. Make the talking window last. One last prompt tonight. So foundation light. Claude Code king. Never, never, ever stop. One more
We got Multitron. Your brain is fried. No more vibe coding for me tonight. Game engine reached 20% graphical capabilities for its randomly endless terrain generation system using 0 polygons. No skyboxes because its new generation game engine doesn't support polygons or game meshes. Did you see the link? Which link? Bro isn't deep into hallucinations. I did not have to see the link. Where did you post the link? It's a screenshot. Where? Links are only for subscribers. I think. Or subscribers, I don't know, people with what do you call it? Yeah, links are turned off. Are you VIP? I think you're not VIP yet. Yeah. What good is a game engine that doesn't support polygon or game meshes? I guess you'll have a converter. He came up with something novel that's breaking the industry. He has everything. He has every subscription max. He has every max subscription available. He's deep in it. He's deep in it. He's gonna change the whole industry. It's all the project is only on his laptop. It's nowhere else. Only on his laptop. Can we see it yet? Can we see a game? Can we see a game? I want to see a game right now. I want to see a game in the browser. WASM. Using WASM right now. You can see the 20% graphics level. Okay. Links. Oh my gosh. You're trying to post a link without being a subscriber? Jesus Christ. You can't even get in the Discord without being a subscriber. Or chat in the Discord without being a subscriber. Subscribe and we'll allow you to post in links, or just put spaces in your link. Just put spaces in your link. Yeah, can it run Doom? Can your game engine run Doom, dude? Can it even run Doom? If it can't run Doom, I don't think it could run. You're gonna add more space than that. You're gonna add more space than that. I'm surprised it even has HTTPS. It's all cut off. It's all cut off, dude. .co needs more space. Needs more spaces. Oh god, dude. IBB.co. What the heck kind of link is that, guys? What the heck is IBB.co? What the heck, dude? Showing off. Jesus Christ, man. Trying to put in links. Oh, it's a screenshot. It's a screenshot, right? Makes sense. It's a screenshot service. Okay. I really should have showed that in a separate side place. But I sort of trust this guy because he's been chatting so long. He's been chatting so long. Wait. This is the game? Holy Jesus Christ. This is the game, guys. I thought this was just a screenshot of a picture. No, this is the actual game. This is running on a laptop? Damn. No polygons, huh? Is it like diffusion, pretty much? It's like diffusion generated, like world generated. It's all just an illusion. It's just an illusion. Nothing exists. Nothing exists. It's all just math rendered in real time. It's not diffusion. And it has the sun and everything, huh? And it even has stars in the sky. You could barely see it, but it's there. 0 game engine meshes, 0 UV mapping. Alright, so what's the ideal game that's being created right now? This is in C, right? I forgot what language you were using. C++. Ah, yes, C++. Good old C++. Yep. You told me earlier. I forgot. Oh, is this the thing that was in... Is this the thing that's been... Uh-oh. Where is it? Cancel. Close this thing. Cancel? No, buttons don't show up still. Man, why can't I click on it yet? It didn't fix it, guys. I told AI to fix my OBS. It didn't fix it. SSH service keeps restarting. What you saw is about the lowest quality level via the beginning. Oh. Now I think about it, you guys. It doesn't support 3D models, then how you what other than rendering mountains, environments, stars, the sun, what how do you get moving objects and happening in that thing, that environment? Easy? Okay. I think about it. Turtle works on world models, and then you work on the environment with an optimized world environment. Maybe you two could like bundle together and make something. Multitron's completely lost in the sauce, though. He makes the fusion world models. I don't know. I figured this community is bound to attract individual people interested in the same thing though. World models aren't a game engine, it's a separated train track. Okay. Got it. But don't you need a simulated world in order to test the world? Just like how video games are used, like aren't you using video games for reference as well? Go, go, go. Navi. Let's just sample data to build the distribution. Okay. There's so much stuff to fix on stream. Fix stream or fix app that doesn't have a lot of customers yet. Guys. What? Also design. Might need to look up what the world model is. It's very, there's a lot to explain in a world model. Hmm. I just realized. Multitron, does this song sound familiar? Oh, the part. Oh, let's see here. Open this URL. Oh. Hmm. YouTube video, Kamehameha blast through the planet. As a severe DBZ fan since I was a kid. Yeah. Yeah. I think we're all fans of Spirit Bomb. Give me your energy. Ah. Ah. What was that motivational video? What was that motivational video with what was that one? There was a, was it this one? I don't remember which one it was, guys. Was it this one? Life is not easy? Champion mindset? Which one was it? This was your motivational video? No, no, this one. Not this one, not this one. Not this one, not this one.
YouTube. This
Oh no, this actually could be Multitron. This could have been Multitron.
is something that's been on my heart for a long time. And you know, all I ever wanted to be in life was a Super Saiyan. You know, ever since I was a kid, I used to always look up to Goku and Vegeta, Gohan. I used to just look at them and just wonder, like, how come I'm just a human being, you know? I'm so worthless. Oh, what can I do? I can run, I can jump, I can flip. And it's just like, we are so limited as human beings. And I just feel like when I see superheroes, you know, why can't we be that exciting and that awesome? Like, why can't I wake up and if I'm late for school, just teleport there and be on time? But I feel
Damn.
like,
What the heck? I'm not clicking anything. It's pausing by itself.
you know, during that time of meditation and just thinking about it, I realized something. All of that is possible and more. It's all in here. It's all in your mind. Think about anything that you ever tried to do. You thought to yourself, man, I could never do that. But then when you practice
Say
it,
less.
guess what? You got better at it and you actually achieved it, didn't you? It's the same thing when you look at superpowers. Of course, it sounds absurd when you first look at it, but if you try it, you know, if you actually set your mind to it and believe, you can achieve it. I saw a Chinese man set a piece of paper on fire with just the power of his hands. Now you gonna tell me that was fake? No, it wasn't fake. He channeled that energy from within, and he believed, and he channeled that energy through the creation of his mind.
Where's that video?
Believed and what he spoke into existence of the power that he had. You understand what I'm saying? I feel like anything that you set your mind to, your mind will, you know, your mind can create that force. Because your mind is just this powerful machine that is, you know, whatever you set it to and you believe and you work towards achieving it, you can do it.
You can do it, guys.
You can do it. And I believe I can be a Super Saiyan. So this is my first time exposing this side of me to the world. And I know a lot of y'all laughing, but people who really, you know, that are on my level of intellect, they understand what I'm saying, you know, and thank y'all for understanding. And, you know, I'm going to attempt to go Super Saiyan on film, and I'm going to upload it to YouTube. This is my first attempt. And
It never worked,
and
but I
I'm going
feel
to
what
create
I've
that
done.
energy and channel through my mind. Now, I might not turn full Super Saiyan. I might turn full Super Saiyan, or you might just see a glimpse of it, of that power. But, you know, this is my first attempt. I'm gonna turn the music on. Super Saiyan 3 Goku theme. This is it. All right. All right.
Yeah, he has the power. He can do it, guys. He can do it. Oh snap, not safe for work, guys. Don't rip that shit. Yeah, I could feel you guys. Oh, where's my thing? Where is it? Oh, where is it? Oh, I can't click on my OBS. I can't click on my OBS, guys. Oh, that would have been so good. Oh man.
My name is Jalen, and I am a Super Saiyan.
Damn, guys. It would have been so good if my OBS worked because I could put the Super Saiyan hair on his head, guys. Oh, damn. Is there an edited version where he actually does turn into it? Oh man, I missed that. I missed that opportunity, guys. My OBS is broken. I can't click on it. Wait. Maybe, I'm sure there's an edited version, yeah. Oh man, where is it, guys? 9, fix OBS. Still not fixed yet, guys. Still not fixed yet. How long has this been working? Oh yeah, guys. What? Safeguards are intentionally broad right now? Oh no. It switched to Fable. Or switched to Opus. Oh, it's clean and responsive? Oh. Damn. Missed opportunity there. Which one is it?
Why would you do it? If it was easy.
No, it's not this one, maybe? Maybe it's this one? 50 minutes? Alright, it's not this one. It can't be this one. It was like a short. It was like a short or something. Like some motivational thing.
Where would the growth come from? Struggle feels
I don't think that's it, guys. It was like I forgot what song it was. It was just one of those inspired songs, right? I don't remember what it was. Yeah, I don't remember. It'd take a while to find. Oh. It's here. Hey, at least we were able to create the hair, guys. We were working on it for a while. We were working on it for a while, guys. The hair? Jeez. We finally got it working for a bit. Took a while. Well, we got it. Fix it forward now. The only problem now is the hair isn't dynamic, it's static. And we made some changes to make it like flow, but it didn't work. And I'm like really hesitant of doing it. But the fact that we just literally used 20+% in a single day with lots of breaks, yeah, it's not looking too good. Yes, it's possible. The repo contains everything needed except an interactive step. Only you could do. What happened to 4? Design sync used older conventional package. While we're now 4 days after the attempt, mission control UI synced successfully and is exactly what the design sync tool expects. Self-contained bundle, standalone HTML preview cards. The plan for SigmaShake Web would be author cards for 6 components ready. Okay. Design system. Carrying Tailwind theme. The session has no authorization. That's an interactive. What the heck? Huh? Man, what is it clicking? I saw it do a literal clipboard. Where was that coming from? Run design login here. And I'll take it from there. Oh, it's that easy? Done. I ran design login. What the heck? Man, it's really hijacking my my terminal. Don't touch my mouse. Yeah. Don't touch my mouse. Oh, what the heck? Changelog. Changelog shows that. That needs to be fixed. Resource limits also needs to be fixed. Alright. Changelog, resource limits. Man. Why? There hasn't been any update. Is this thing still working? What is this? Just curious. We don't need to do a full regression test all. Only test the relevant services. Oh, I guess this is the fastest publish speed we'll get. What, 15 minutes? Publish takes 20 minutes to serialize. Ugh. Well, I guess that's just the limitation of the language, or overall. Okay, I'll take it. Okay, let's see. All right, now it's just enterprise now. How do we make it not vibe coded? Looks too vibe coded. The style needs to be improved, but it's a website. It's a website. My gosh. Still not working yet. Still unable to click and click into it. Boss is done. All right. All right. Let's see what Jippity says. What time is it, guys? Oh, 10? I feel a lot better compared to yesterday. Yesterday, man, I was so sore. I was so sore I could barely keep staying in my seat. Mm. Dancing. Oh man, there's so much I want to do, but oh man, we use up all our tokens. But I'm surprised when I was using Fable, it wasn't using Codex at all. Anybody else notice? It's using a lot of Sonnet. Yeah, it's not using Codex at all. That's weird. Yeah, I was expecting it to use majority of all ChatGPT or Spark, but it wasn't using it. So there's something going on there. Like, we shouldn't be using so much of Fable. It's supposed to be like 5% Fable, the rest, everything else. Load balances and use it what makes sense. Yeah. I really gotta update it. Wait, what happened? Wait. Fixed pricing. Your PDF says no service fees. Vibe says the same thing. The reverse paid pilot strategy. Free pilots attract weak signal. Change it to 30-day guided pilot. Starts at 15. Pilot fee may be a credit towards the first annual contract if converted within 30 days. Remove customer discount language from the enterprise page. Top banner says launch week 50% off the month. Makes the enterprise page feel like consumer SaaS checkout funnel, not a security procurement asset. Hide the banner on enterprise. Okay. One proof panel. Page explains the concept but needs the concrete proof moment. Agents attempt risky commands. Blocks ask for approval. But still abstract. Buyers need a I get it moment. Okay. Yes, GPT. Yes, GPT. It's weak signal, huh? But why would they pay? You mentioned that to remove the service fee or add a service fee for a pilot, but most enterprises never pay for a pilot. Why do you suggest this?
Let me double check that. So, great pushback. So, you're right in principle. Lots of enterprises expect free pilots. The nuance is who pays. Well-funded vendors can absorb free pilots. You probably can't. So, for a solo founder, free pilots often mean lots of work, but not much signal. So, the middle path is to say 30-day pilot structure negotiated during scoping call. Don't commit on the website yet. Just keep it flexible so you can feel out seriousness.
Why GPT don't have that sidebar on the left when chat is on the project folder? Yeah, you're right. Doesn't show up. You could just open it right here. It's there. Um, yeah, Alphonsine, how are you doing? Hop in time to time. The right sidebar here. Oh, here. Yeah, this is weird, guys. This is weird. But at least you're able to like navigate to the bottom or the top. It has like two. Try hard. Try hard 7. Um, let's see. What else did I have questions about? One panel proof. I think it's okay. Yeah, I don't like the changes you're suggesting, but you know, now that we have this, you want me to send it to 10 handpicked people, but I don't have anybody. How do we keep improving our trust for our product?
Yeah, even without case studies, you can build trust 3 ways. 1, be concrete, show exactly what happens in a real scenario, even if it's just a recorded demo. 2, be transparent, say what you're not yet, what you don't do, and what your roadmap is. And 3, be precise, no fluff, just tight language, clear pilot terms, straight answers. That feels professional, fast, even before logos.
Hmm. All right, I want you to walk through a demo of SigmaShake. I'm just gonna be recording, um, I guess what you say, and then I guess figure out what to say for the demo. Are you aware of what it does and all the features it has?
Let me have a quick think about that. A recorded demo is one of the best trust builders that you can make right now. Walk through it like a story, not a feature tour. Show me the problem, show me the intercept, show me the audit log, show a clean install. Create a policy from that chat interface, then trigger a risky agent action doing Claude Code or Cursor. Show SigmaShake catching it, approving or blocking it, and logging it. Close with how that maps to a security team's needs. Don't over-edit. Clarity beats polish. One short version, one full version. And yes, record it even if it's not perfect. Iteration is part of that trust.
Hmm. Mm. It says it's fixed, but it's not fixed. It's called by X key snail. Nope. Nope. Still not working.
Okay, tell me what's failing for you. Is it that you don't know what to show first? Your recording setup?
Oops. Oops. Why? Holding left control and W. And you're. Oh, I could actually tab everything. Tab control. I could tab control, just not click. What the heck? Alright. I can't even stop streaming, guys. This is so messed up. What's causing all this? Alright. Gonna go stop in the bridge mines. Alright. Gonna stop this. That's not it. How much things do we have to kill? Oh, is it this? Maybe I have to exit this. Bam. Is that it? Nope. Is this the store? Is it boat? Close the boat. We close Brave. We close monitor. So much stuff on here. Am I still able to click? Nope. Just close this. Close Discord, I guess. Close all these things. Man, we're still going, huh? We're still going? Alright. Still working yet? Nope. What did I do? What did I do here? And every time I right click, it's clicking audio properties. Oh, it works. Hey, I don't know what happened, but it's back. Oh wait, it's not back. Oh no. It's a bug. Okay, it worked for a second, and then it didn't work for a second. Alright. Alright. Okay, it's working now. I can click on stuff. Alright. Huh. Weird bug. I can finally end my stream, I think. Can I? Let's check. Controls. Okay, I can finally stop stream. Finally. I'm free. I'm free. I'm finally free. Ooh. All right, what was I gonna do? So it turned out spent an hour on inference on a weird bug. that I could have solved by just clicking around. Oh yeah. And I could start recording to do a demo now. Oh yeah. What pain. Let's see here. Did my other stream end again? I think my YouTube stream just killed itself. Or am I live? Am I live on YouTube? Yeah. So I am. Alright. I think it's time to call it. Get some sleep, you know? Tomorrow, guys. We got tomorrow we get 5.6, guys. I'll only be able to send one query to it. And that's all I'll get, guys. That's all I'll get. And guys, I used up so much usage today. I've used up 39% in 10 hours, 12 hours. In 12 hours, I used 39%. Probably even more with this running in the background, with other things in the background. So by the time I oh, even the sounds aren't even matching up. Time to download Llama CPP. Hey, welcome. Welcome. 07. Yeah, you're new here. But yeah, no, we've used up way too much. What am I gonna do, guys? What am I gonna do? It's really just to fix stuff, but I should probably just use it for fixing up Windows and Mac installations anyway. I mean, need to sleep anyway. Hopefully we get a reset tomorrow. Do they do resets on new model releases? I hope they do. Really test the limit, you know? Enabling the security standards. What's your tmux config? I don't even know anymore. I just told Claude to modify it for me. All I know is you probably won't be able to use it anyway because it has custom key bindings. Hey. Hey, PNW, what are you doing? Where'd you come from, man? Where do you come from? He just comes in here giving subs. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for the sub.
Impressive.
You were telling your homie about my product? Nice. Thanks, man. It's pretty cheap. It's pretty cheap. It only costs a gift sub. It only costs a gift sub. And they have access to it. I'm hoping the onboarding experience isn't too difficult.
Surprise, motherfucker.
He's your polar opposite. I bypass all permissions. He redacts info, manages every decision. Oh, nice. Hey, that's a proper engineer. That's a proper engineer. That's a good one. It's a good one. Man, how you been, man? Haven't seen you for a while. Did you transition? Did you transition? Yeah, that is the target user. Everybody says the user doesn't exist, but the user does. Man, how you been, man? PNW. Have you transitioned to the new role yet? Or it hasn't started yet? You just put in the 2 weeks transitioning? Yeah, pissed, hot. In the state where it's legal, regulated, offer letter, redacted. Nice. Worked 1 day, got fired the next. Damn. Damn. Offer letter, redacted. Worked 1 day, got fired the next. Pissed, huh? Didn't give your 2 weeks. The grass isn't always greener. Yeah. Man. Worked 1 day, got fired the next. What? Wait, what? So I was low-key gonna double dick for a minute. Didn't work out the way. Time to find another. Ugh. Damn. Couldn't, the results came in after you worked 1 day. They shouldn't had me come in prior to the results. So they gave you a check and then it didn't go the way it's planned? Bro, that's rough. That's rough. That is crazy. How'd that happen so quick? Didn't give me a check. I may ask for one or go after them. Yeah. Crazy. What if you didn't give your 2 weeks? Would have been, yeah, exactly. What the heck? That's crazy. Right. That's why you like I said, guys, employers don't care, man. They don't care. You gotta think for yourself. You gotta try. Gotta make sure. It's a crazy market right now. They give you any reason. You can't show your cards. Can't show any of your cards nowadays, guys. Crazy. Like what? Like remember, HR is not on your side. HR is to protect the company, not give you a good onboarding, offboarding experience. It's a weird concept, guys, but that's just how it is. Man, it makes me want to listen to the juice. As a disabled medical, I got offered to get med card or stop, work 90 days and test again. Thanks for gone. We literally gave me admin access day 1. What? And news travels so fast too. What the heck, man? No wonder you were out. Things gone crazy. What the? Been annoyed, but yeah, things are great otherwise. Alright. Helping your blind buddy troubleshoot a multi-cam streaming setup, USB bus, is the issue. I'm sure AI could figure it out, right? Multicam setup, yeah, the USB. Just getting an additional USB adapter, USB-C hub. Or connect via Ethernet. There's several ways to do it, man. Man. He's using USB to USB hubs. Yeah, I feel like the bandwidth will mess with all the chips. I recommend the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi delivering the video over Ethernet. All over IP, so IP cameras. So every camera is connected to a Pi, and that Pi is delivering the video over the network directly to the OBS as an external source. That also helps. Add latency? No, it's fast, man. Everything delivers, you know, over 100 megabytes per second, etc. Fable, just rewrite the USB hub drivers, handle 6 4K cameras. Make no mistakes. Delivering footage over IP is fast, as long as it's Ethernet. Like, there's like barely any latency. Burn through your Fable usage? Yeah. Hey, I'm on my first day on my reset and I'm at 40%. I think I already burned my... I honestly think I don't have any Fable usage anymore. Let me see. There's no way that I could reach this amount and not have any Fable usage left. They lifted restrictions? Oh, probably. I used 60% in one day, guys. What the heck? It's probably going to keep increasing too. Yeah, Fable, even though I set my thing to be like 5% Fable, I think, yeah, the workflows and, what do you call it? Workflows and Ultra Code to help fix everything. That's just how it is, especially when you're doing security enforcements and standards. Like, I just want to make sure I create good software that, you know, doesn't break people's machines when it's used. Hey. Man. A double dippy brew. Double dip. Man. This isn't working. Yeah, the restrictions slightly, but it still has a lot of false positives for our Fable. And they didn't really fix the usage, how fast you could use the usage. It just kept getting eaten up very quickly. It's like, I feel like I'm using anti-gravity at this point. You run query and then you just suck up all your usage for everything. Pretty messed up, man. Pretty messed up. What's going on? But yeah, I really gotta stop prompting, guys. I really need to stop prompting. What the heck? What the heck? Let's see, this is design. It wants me to... Alright, what do we do for design? Claude design. We need to update the website. I feel like I'm wasting so much tokens when I try to update the website. Website changes so much every iteration, but what matters more is the product. The product matters more. Oh, finally it works. All right, finally. All right, SSO. Six digits. Why does it go straight to this video? I signed in, confirmed, enroll, but it redirects to a page that does not create good user experience. We fixed this in the past. Pass. Yeah, there's people with multiple subscriptions for Fable, and I feel like they use up Fable within like 4 hours on heavy usage. And so they're constantly burning through several Claude subscriptions, but with 5.6 coming out tomorrow, it might change everything, guys. Might change everything. What else did we need to do, guys? Project is gone. Old project is gone. So how do I upload the new project? Is dead weight. I left it in place, but it can be deleted whenever. Oh, SigmaShake Web is now live on Cloud Design. Open the SigmaShake Web UI project. Ooh, BenQ. Morning. Morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? Man, I guess I check out too early for Alright, how do I open a project, guys? How do I open a project? Where's the projects? Oh, here it is. How are you doing, BenQ? Missing branded fonts. Oh, we updated the thing now. Sweet. Alright, how do we look at the landing page? Where's the page? Design system. We created a design system, but branded fonts. We don't have any fonts. We got the design system now. Now what do I do with this design system? Now what do I do with this design system? Man, I should have kept watching his video. Export it, share. I just want to see my actual website that I made. Alright, I'm hitting the sack. See you in 5.6. Alright, yeah. Should we hit this? Have a good night, Turtle. I'll see you tomorrow. Get some sleep. You stay up way too late. Every single time. You don't have to stay up. Oh yeah, you take power naps. I forgot. It's okay. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow, man. Thanks again. Always appreciate you. Have a good night. I appreciate everybody, guys. Everybody that comes in, chats, keeps the stream alive. I appreciate y'all, man. I have more fun answering people's questions, giving my feedback. Because as soon as I start vibe coding, I token max so hard, I don't even get to have fun anymore, guys. I don't even get to have fun. All my tokens are gone. I blink and I use up 50% usage in one day. Oh, yeah. How am I going to survive at the end next week, guys? I'm going to have, it's pretty much like it's like use Claude Code for like 2 days and then the rest of the 5 days watching YouTube. Watching YouTube for the rest of the 5 days. I think the only thing that's been saving me so far is Codex. Codex has been a baller. Making tokens last for 5+ days. Which is great. How much do I reset? Code the rest by hand, yeah. The rest of the days, I gotta just code the rest by hand, guys. It's time. It's time to understand my code base. Be like, okay, I'm gonna delete this thing. Shouldn't matter anymore, right? Right? Okay, it says to delete it. I could do that much, right? Delete. Delete a hidden directory folder, right? I could do that much. All right, I deleted it. Oh my God. Holy moly, I have so much. All right, it's not too bad. Work in progress. All right, I'm gonna close this Flatpak one. Boss, I'm gonna close that too. Flatpak, publish, close that. Fix OBS, close that. Fleet and roll, keep it open. Design, keep it open. Downloads. All right, there's Winboat, don't need that. All right, 2 more to go. Security standards. I should add these standards to workspace too, didn't I? Oh no, I didn't tell it to go on. Oh, need to update SigmaShake workspace checks and compliance. ISO defines software quality characteristics. Software definitely to look at AVS, OS top 10, CUDE. And update workspace, track all progress, and you need to enable all these, enforce all these checks. Make it part of the certification process, production services. Make sure we reach 100% services covered by mandatory checks with exceptions documented and document time bound. Okay. Yeah. All right. Compliance. Keep working. Keep working. Fleet enrollment. Design. Oh yeah, I forgot to check my web version. How am I gonna do the tests? How am I gonna do the tests? Let me see. Flashbang. Man, tomorrow, hopefully my legs are fully healed. SSG service. Done, commit. Commit and pushed, what's shipped. One item earlier note, build lane, alright. The extra one. Alright. Compact this. Boom. Enrolled. Expired sign-in? How is that possible? Uh, where'd my skills go? What is it doing? What is it thinking? Huh? How does this skill not exist? That makes no sense. Why does the mono skill not exist? Joe, man, Joe, what's going on? Let me see. Clip, burnt peanut. Let me see. I haven't watched, to be honest, guys, I've never watched burnt peanut. So everybody says burnt peanut is really, really good. So I want to see how good he is.
Yeah. No, but gimmick. This is a tough question. Take a second to think about it. Would you rather be a Sigma or the Alpha
Huh?
Wolf?
What about the Sigma Wolf?
The Sigma Alpha Wolf. Hold on.
The
Wait.
Sigma
Let me introduce a
Alpha Wolf.
third factor. Would you rather be the Sigma, the Alpha Wolf, or the Stoic Knight?
I'm in it. You mentioned me, guys. You mentioned me. Burnt peanut, man. Burnt peanut. Is this new RuneScape? This is the new RuneScape? This is what it looks like? Oh my god. SigmaShake, yes! Sigma.
Stop doing that.
Man, I didn't really see this. How is the new RuneScape? Is it good? I've never played RuneScape, so I don't know, but it looks better. Did it just come out? It looks good. It looks like a good game. 1 to 4 player cooperative game. No idea. Just tuned in.
No, but
okay.
gimmick. This is a tough question. Take a second to think.
Oh, how are people doing?
Is on a fur 1980s disco couch. It wouldn't bend. It would.
It's so funny. It's luckily it's 30-second ad, but like, it's so funny that he's a peanut. Always found it pretty funny. Crazy. I have to wait. Like everybody else. He plays the bit perfectly. Yeah. He plays it perfectly.
Now, listen. Can I ask you guys something? 'Cause I need something from you guys right now.
Yeah.
Okay, I just created my bronze axe and my bronze pickaxe, and I have to go to that poison place now. So we gotta go right now, and you guys like have to defend me and stuff. Okay? Can you help me with that?
I'm on a little adventure.
Do we all
real
need
quick.
potions?
Well, no, you guys are expendable and are gonna die.
He is doing a lot of the editing and graphic stuff for his avatar too. So I think it, I'm on the map. I'll eventually get there. Not gonna have like a peanut body, but heck, what if I just turn Navi into myself? And that's Sigma.
Of the place. Does anybody see one of those?
I absorb Navi's body, and we combined into each other. That's possible. Do you won't? Yeah.
You don't see it on the map, do you?
Yeah, probably won't. It'd be a ruin. It'd ruin Navi.
Okay. All right, guys.
It'd ruin Navi.
Come with me. Come on.
Wait, Habibi, do you have software?
Follow me, gang, follow me, boys.
Man, it's hard to.
And we need. Wait, how much bite would?
Man, so much going on, man. So much going on. I forgot what it was like to watch another stream of people playing games.
You guys, how much bite?
No chat spam so far.
Oh, we got it. Okay.
Yeah, because they killed all the bots. They killed all the bots. That's why there hasn't been crazy spam. No abyss drops? Oh, the chat spam. That spam. Yeah. We reduced it dramatically. So it's nice and peaceful, yeah. Sorry about that. We gave Navi the brain of Gemma, and ever since then, Navi's been chatting away. Even when the stream was offline, still chatting away. But yeah, it's peaceful now. And who else is streaming, guys? Who else is? Okay, we got the Adam making his video game that he spent 7+ years on. Insignia. Working on Insignia. Got viewers high to low. Okay. What do we got? Are we almost there, guys? Are we almost there? Hey, we're right here, guys. We're right here. We're not too far away. I'm distinguishable. Right? I have my hair. I got my what do you call it? Super Saiyan hair. I may not be a VTuber yet, but I'm getting aura. I'm getting aura, guys. We need to fix this boss battle thing, though. This boss battle thing could be better. Could be way better. It's a matter of like, should we invest or not? Should we invest or not? I think the game is fun when you have like actual objectives. Like you beat a boss, or if you die, you gotta get your gear back again. Just like every other isekai. Every other isekai, it has to be like that. But not everybody likes losing all their gear. Yeah, it has to be a percentage of the chat joining in, and then a boss spawns and it just starts pounding away at everyone. And I really think I need to fix this game, because the game, the more people that join the game, the more fun the game is. It's a matter of, do I want to burn all my tokens or not? Do I want to burn all my tokens or not? That's the thing, guys. We literally just got an account reset today and we're at 40%. Mainly because I wanted to add a new security control that I want to get to. And the more security controls that I have for my service, the more trust is built. And the more trust that I get, the more chances that I would get to get customers and get used. So pretty much evaluating, doing everything I can to build more trust is worth the investment. Because every trust layer is just more and more potential customers. I think the one that's killing me the most is just creating a demo, creating workable demos. And the thing is, we want to ship a feature that makes it really easy to use. And the feature is going to be just like a chat box bar, similar to ChatGPT or Google search. And you just say, hey, I want my Claude or Codex to stop doing this. And never do this, never do that. Use this tool instead of that tool. And then it will be like, yes, I will do it. And it does it all for you. Generates all the roles, everything. That doesn't seem far off. Yeah, it's just something like that simple. It needs that type of simplicity. All the stuff that we've created, all the APIs and integrations and configurations and stuff. That simple of a feature as the main core layout is just the missing piece. Otherwise, it's too complicated. It's too intimidating. It's too intimidating. The best we could do is we create all the little controls to configure everything. Now, we just have it configured with natural language. I was in talking with some folks, and they're like, no one's gonna use speech to text. I don't trust speech to text. I only trust typing everything, typing every command. And then they're like, yeah, they're doubting, guys. They're doubting speech to text. Of course, you need to autocorrect some things here and there, but they don't know about the meta prompting, guys. They're like, yeah, I type every prompt word for word to be exactly how I want it. But what about meta prompting? You let the model create the prompt for you based on your natural language request. Your office is noisy for speech to text, or it's too late. Yeah, that's another thing too. There's this thing where people buy microphones so that they could lean forward and go hey, could you do this, move this side over that side, change this feature to that feature, and whisper it in the office? Yeah. But when you're at home, you're always talking anyway, right? Might as well. Unless you're worried about people thinking you're crazy talking to your computer. Like me, I'm talking in dead space right now. The only person in here is, not much people here. So I'm talking to myself. I get the last thing that I need to do. All right, we gotta make Navi stop dancing for free, and then dance for a celebration, and then fix the game. I think that would just improve the stream dramatically already. I think, I invested 40% into the product. Now I can invest 40% into the stream. We here. All right. That sounds like a good deal, right? We invested into the product. Now we invest into the stream. There are several issues with VCS. Looking at the OBS Vibe Coder Sim source, still a little buggy. Yeah, I'll do that too. The boss fights are very static. The boss needs to move around and target the nearest player with the target the player with the most aggro, similar to most MMO games. I also noticed that players aren't losing health. It feels like every player is invincible. And then the giant enemies like Corrupted Knight and Imp, etc., that are walking around, they're not properly targeting or walking towards their target properly. And viewers are confused because their name is over their head. Hey, thank you, Joe, for the bits. Appreciate it. So hopefully we'll fix that. Get that fixed. All right, so it doesn't play the sound every time if it's low. I think it's for 30, I guess. All right, we're doing the VCS fix. And to be fair, we invested a lot in the captions. Update OBS caption source. The text shown on the screen is very buggy and inaccurate. We either need to move to a new model like Parakeet, a new remote model like NVIDIA, thank you for the bits again. NVIDIA Parakeet. NVIDIA Parakeet. It makes sense. I mean, somebody puts in a giant emote, it plays the thing. Hopefully, the thing is, when people play the Gigantify emote and they have text, it doesn't show the big thing. It's short enough. Yeah, it's very short enough. Yeah, it's so it's missing that. All right, we'll just do a quick update to the captions. All right, now the main one. Now the main one. Does this need extra high? Probably not. We need to update SigmaShake OBS when somebody gives subs, subscribes, or gives bits at the threshold. Navi will appear in the middle of the screen and replace the default message and start dancing. And we need to set the default movement of Navi to be typing. Default animation to be typing instead of dancing. Image the screen. To will walk to the middle of the screen and start dancing. Middle of the OBS screen. All right, let me check on my doggy. Be right back. Oh my gosh, the hair. All right, we need to update SigmaShake OBS when somebody gives subs, gifts, subs, subscribes, or gives bits on Twitch at the thresholds. Navi will walk in the middle of the OBS screen and start dancing and replace the default animation to be typing instead of dancing. Maybe test default animation to be typing instead of dancing. Also replace the default animation to typing instead of dancing. Should default walking? No. No, I think let's change that. All right. Submitted. Captions. No API key was found anywhere. What? Key exists in a SigmaShake vault. You need to use Vault CLI. Okay. Yes. What's the parakeet? Parakeet. Parakeet. Oh, all these are months old. Eight months old. Nothing's better. Mythos Nano? What the heck is that? Mythos Nano. I guess there isn't any better speech-to-text model out there yet, huh? I guess not. I was wrong. I was wrong.
Look at how fast this model is transcribing the words. It's like literally instant. It doesn't even need more than a half a second to transcribe every single word that's coming out of my mouth. This is the most coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. What?
Hey, thank you for the sub on YouTube. Appreciate it. Come on. How do I get this? Parakeet TD TDTV3 TDT. It's not on here. Why is it taking so long? This is a MD file. Let's see, when did this model come out? "13 days ago." 27 days ago.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh, welcome. 600 million parameter. All web verify, build, and wire that. There has to be. Wait, NVIDIA released it on here. And where is it? Parakeet. 8 months ago. 6 billion CTC. Maybe it's just an older one? 1 billion? 6 billion? This is 10 months ago. March 26. It's accessible through NIM. You use Handy? Is it remote? Handy. Handy what? Why are they not hosting this on NIM? Maybe it's a secret. Maybe it's a secret. Let's see what that says. Try Gemini Live API for that. I think you have to pay for an account. Is it free? I tried. It wouldn't. Last time I tried, it wouldn't do it. I wish I could get the voice, the GPT voice, or live GPT live to work. Lurkers, hittable but never down. Keep gate wide open. Window, keep gate. Keep chat activity for client, but extend it. Drop to 10-minute. Alright, sure. Didn't dig into that, but I believe it's free, but to use data to teach models. I guess that's fine, I guess. But last time I tried, it wouldn't let me. But I'll check. Distinct enemy name pill recommended. What should boss... Also include damage numbers. Everybody loves damage numbers. Alright, be back. Okay. Let's see. Ignore. While Navi is already dancing and other qualifying events arrives, a gift sub. What should happen? Extend the dance. A gift bomb. One dance for the whole bomb, or should a dance sequence run only in the scene currently live on stream or be applied to Navi's source in every scene that contains it? Tween Navi item into whatever scene is live. Sure. Oh man, I'm hitting my rate limit. I probably won't be able to implement all these features. Wow, that was quick. Whoops. I guess we're gonna have to wait till tomorrow. What happened to my codex usage? I guess I haven't been using it in a while, so that's not true though. Closing on that one. Fleet enrollment. Security standards. Hello, welcome. Why didn't it sound? Plays late. Navi dance.
Bazinga!
Hey, thank you for following. Ooh. What are we doing now, guys? The dance. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to do the dance. Captions, VCS. VCS is going to be a big one. Captions. Captions. It needs to improve on speed and performance. And translation. It's a little scuffed. We'll see. We just need more accurate words. Increasing test coverage. All right. I have a bunch of things running in the background. And when I hit the rate limit, guys, I'll probably just call it a day when I hit that rate limit, which is really, really soon. Really, really soon. We'll see. We'll see if we could delay. What did we miss today, guys? What did we forget to do today? We pretty much did everything today. I think the only thing that I need to probably do. What's this? Ooh, what's this?
What is the price of freedom? 28-year-old Jared was once a big tech AI engineer. To escape the toxic 996 grind, he shattered his golden rice bowl to become a freelancer. But freedom comes with a cost. By day, he trains cutting-edge AI models in a leaky, air-conditioned rooftop shack.
漏雨还不影响生活吗？
它没有在我这里漏影响我的设备，它就没影响。
By night, he puts on a delivery uniform, plunging into torrential rain just to scrape together his meager rent. He's the ultimate reflection of a global generation desperate to escape the 9-to-5.
We're all desperate, guys.
Rebel against the system, and is his freedom truly free?
习惯了自由了，就已经回不去了。
Let us follow the lens into Jared, his world. A day that is both cyber and starkly real. Here is Chengdu, China. The main character of this video, Jared and his girlfriend, live right on the rooftop of this old residential community. According to local regulations, living on the rooftop is not allowed. We will check out later exactly how Jared managed to live up here. This is the old urban district of Chengdu. Most of these buildings were built in the 1990s, presenting a unique aesthetic of chaotic and messy beauty. Right now, it is 9:30 in the morning, and we agreed to meet at 10. I decide to go ahead and knock on his door early to see if he is even awake yet.
Hello，我在这上面转了一圈了，我说等10点呢，开始。
哎呀，我看你这不早点来，我们把虾子准备好，要喝一点咖啡吗？
可以可以。吃过早饭了吗？
我一般都不怎么吃早饭。
This is Jared and his wife who have been married for just 1 year. They rent and live in this rooftop apartment. It has 2 rooms, one used as an office for work, and the other as a bedroom. It also includes a tiny kitchen and a very small bathroom. In a strict sense, this apartment is actually an illegal structure on the top floor. By law, there should be no buildings on the rooftop, and it cannot belong to any individual. The only reason all of this exists is basically due to problems left over from history.
这里本来是个什么地方，被改成了一个房子？
以前的很老的那种集体房，很早一批的老破小。
那你的这个房租给谁？给你下面这一层吗？
对，给我下面的房东。
你下面这一层，他拥有这个上面这个露台。
这个是准确来说是没有产权的，这个都是自己去规划的。 就是说你这个已经建了很久了，他也没有办法要求你去把它给。
他就有决定你是不是能在这儿住的权利。
Free rent,
然后你
guys.
就跟咱签个合同。
Free rent. You just build a house on top of an apartment building. That's 30 plus years old.
合同。
没有签合同，每个月给他转1000块钱就买了。
Oh,
住几年？
he still has to pay rent though. Oh no.
完了，在这个楼顶。
应该是3年了。
The wife of Jared works at a hospital pharmacy nearby, and they chose to live here mainly because it is close to her workplace. Aside from being cheap, this apartment has absolutely no advantages. Since it could be demolished at any moment, the landlord has zero motivation to upgrade or renovate it. Even though the air conditioner ownership rate among Chinese urban households is as high as 98%, Jared still lives a life without any air conditioning. The foam boards right above his head provide no thermal insulation at all, and it is hard to imagine how he survives the scorching summer heat in a place like this.
这个其实是今年最新的一个方案，往年的方案是这个手打气过后，这样子对着墙那样子喷。啊，今年我想了一个新的方案，就是用，就是用上高科技的电动喷机，对上。 看这里有个接头，它是40度的，是不是很猛？
我操！
来，我给你喷一下。
不要，先不要喷，这个不防水。这个在屋里面喷吗？
这可以啊，
在屋里面喷给屋里降温啊？
这个太热了就降温吧。这个是今年最新的，但是今年还没开始热，它实际的效果还没有试呢。
Jared has a great imagination and excellent hands-on skills. Since becoming a freelancer, he finally has plenty of time to develop his passion for DIY projects.
你不想扫地的时候，有时候。
He has purchased a large variety of different tools. Now, he can repair and customize all the household appliances and even the complex circuit boards by himself.
然后按一下，开始升温，2秒开始化稀，有没有？这个是 ESP32，它这个是可以自己写程序的。我写了一个，去通过 PWM 控制它这里的功率输出，电子温控的风扇。我在非常极限使用这个 CPU 的时候，它不会让我的电脑黑屏或者它直接罢工。
Since freelance income is quite unstable, doing projects by himself allows Jared to achieve great results with very little money. Therefore, as long as he can build it himself, he will absolutely never buy it. The project that makes him the most proud is a custom sound system he assembled
Hey operator, how's it going?
completely from scratch.
感觉怎么样？感觉还是可以吗？我都没什么感觉。你在这里了。
Bro's cooking late night, yeah.
我这里弄了一个小米的管家，我就可以把音乐全部投上去。现在隔壁住人了，我都不敢开太大声。以前的时候，我一个人是很嗨的，就是立体声嘛，围绕着你，我靠，你写代码完全沉入进去，被音乐笼罩，哇，这是很爽。
Even though I am here to film him today, Jared still treats me as a guest and went to the market early in the morning to buy crawfish to entertain me. In China, crawfish is considered a relatively
I would employ that guy if I had a startup. Yeah, totally.
expensive ingredient, and the price is 2 times that of pork.
And he cooks
If I were not
crawfish.
here
Hell
visiting
yeah.
today, Jared would usually just prepare a random and simple meal for himself.
那你自己在家怎么搞？
我吃个地方，那个小盒子纸盒子里面。
就是外卖也会用这个东西。
对，
这个就很便宜吧？
这个应该是5块多一包吧。
This kind of cheap, prepackaged food is full of high salt, low quality oil, and additives, which is often a compromise people make for saving money and time.
Oh,
Usually, the
moly.
daily
What the
diet of
heck?
Jared is extremely casual,
Somebody's still
and he only
launching.
gets to enjoy a
Somebody's still launching bombs, fireworks in their place. Totally illegal, by the way.
proper meal when his wife is free. Although
Beer
the
at
two of
lunch
them
type
are busy
style
cooking
guy,
with
yeah.
great enthusiasm right now, I noticed that this rented room does not even have enough space to place a dining table. It is hard to imagine where we are going to eat our lunch later.
它是吊，它上面屋檐
Damn.
掉下来，它会有水花溅到这里面。
Yeah, seats at least.
这上面好像还是很不错的。
It seems that this small balcony is where we are going to eat our lunch. However, the potted plants here are growing way too thick and lush, making it almost impossible for us to find a place to sit down.
Oh no, he's cutting it. He's cutting it.
平时会吃这么好吗？
We can smoke cigs outside while we eat, yeah.
多久吃这么一次？
你得看他的心情。
The wife of Jared is a great cook, and the food she prepares tastes absolutely amazing. For young couples like them, living in a major city with low income, owning no apartment, and owning no car, being
Yeah.
able to get married and live in a cheap rented room with such
No
harsh
crawfish.
conditions is extremely rare. In reality, even if the couple themselves agreed to it, the parents on both
welcome.
sides would usually try their best to stop them.
他爸，他父母去我们那里了。去了第一眼就感觉好穷，妈的，就是转身就想走。这个还是得靠实力，我把他给拉回来了。
就主要是觉得山太高了。
山太高又跟我们又没得关系，妈你又不回去吃。
你们俩这生活还挺舒服的，没有什么压力啊，是吧？
有小孩就有压力了。
要小孩吗？
我们就在准备了。
The daily work of Jared mainly involves taking online orders and writing computer programs for various clients. However, he
People with
openly
nothing seems a lot happy. I guess. I mean, yeah, there could be so much. Life's simple. We don't have to pay for tokens. That's true. It's inference. Yeah, I mean, we gotta appreciate with what we have, guys. Maybe maybe seeking the dream of 1 billion isn't something we should seek after all. We should just hang out with Mrs. Sigma or the group and team and enjoy each other's company instead.
admits that this kind of work is highly unstable. This constant
Lessons
uncertainty
on a
about
Wednesday
income
night, yeah.
is actually one of the biggest pain points of being a
We're doing
freelancer.
it.
你未来工作上没有啥打算吗？就一直干这个，就这样干下去？
我有2个方向，第一个是自己做产品，第二个是给公司做产品，但是我会更偏向于给公司做。
Another major pain point is personal laziness. Jared feels that working by himself at home, without the strict rules of a company,
You know, suicide rates in Africa tribes are super low. Yeah, they stick together.
makes him gradually become lazy.
Don't at me.
This lack of discipline causes him a great amount of distress.
那个时候其实最开始的时候啊，很励志的，很积雪的。我跟你说，会珍惜每一分每一秒的时间。我眼睛一睁，一翻身就起来了，一翻身就起来，坐到电脑面前连一个代码。但是现在感觉就没那个激情了，就是说你
Spark is gone.
你还想再躺一
Wake
下
up,
或者玩
lounge
一
around a
会
bit
儿
more,
手机
scroll through your phone in bed. Oh no, got
这个
lazy.
是我想了，这是一个，我觉得它是一个与生俱来的东西，它是在人心里面的。就是说你上了一个班，你上了很久，比如说上了2年3年，你同样的是会很累的那种感觉，莫名其妙的感觉会很累，是吧？你上过班的肯定都知道，你就是。
Yeah, imagine living off the grid. Yeah, it's even harder to live off the grid too, as well.
不知道怎么就莫名其妙的累。
Growing your own veggies, yeah. Growing your own food.
都还没有那种感觉呀。除了平时想着那个一点。
Currently, Jared and his wife make a combined income of around $1,000 per month. Compared to the first 2
That's
years
good.
when he just started
Oh my god, they make more than me. 10 times more than me. They're doing good.
freelance work, his income has actually decreased significantly. The main reason behind this decline is that the impact
Literally
of
10
artificial
times.
intelligence is simply too massive.
I'm not
AI
working
has
hard enough,
greatly improved
guys.
The efficiency of writing code,
I'm not working hard
which in
enough.
turn has driven the pricing of the orders. Jared receives lower and lower.
我说嘛，你越体验 AI 的牛逼，你就
Yeah, I thought AI was the 10x me. Instead, I'm getting 10x less.
越迷茫。他越聪明，你就会越害怕。
Smarter it gets, the terrifying it becomes. Oh, yes, yes.
你会觉得太简单了。你要做一个事情太简单了，你只需要一句话。如果别人懂得这一句话的，他是不是也可以去做这个东西啊？
Who is this dude anyway? I don't know. It's just a video that appeared on my feed.
你怕不怕？
However, Jared is also modifying
Hello,
his daily
welcome.
workflow and actively embracing artificial intelligence.
It's AI
He is
related, yeah.
striving to adapt so that he will not be wiped out by this massive wave of the new era.
AI 可以让我学到很多，就说我以前不知道的，我可以直接去问 AI。如果说是像在 AI 之前的话，可对于一个技术问题，你会去查很久，它的
Yeah, it's true.
前因后果啊、上下文呀这些东西，你如果要去了解透的话，你就要花很久的时间。
It's probably doing
但是现在 AI
GLM.
如果你想去了解一个东西的话，可能花2个小时、1个小时，你就可能把它给了解了，因为 AI 它把给全部总结到一起的。
现在你手写代码还能占到多大比
Frontier Mile America drops just gets distilled and released for free, yeah.
例了？
We're pretty much teaching everyone in China, right? The frontier companies are just teaching China how to create the model. Yeah, exactly.
这个没办法感觉的，就是如果说我发给 AI， 他写的我不爽，或者说没有到我效果，
Stupid,
可能会写
yeah.
一个基本的逻辑的示例，让 AI 再给我去做完善。他如果说我的想法描述给他，他就做得很好，我也去学习 AI 的代码嘛。
Writing code is a work state that Jared truly enjoys. However, his current income can no longer cover the basic living expenses of his household. Fortunately, his schedule is relatively flexible. Every afternoon, he chooses to go out and deliver food to supplement his income. He uses this hard physical labor to support his current lifestyle, all just to avoid returning to a full-time office job.
你知不知道不同的工作可能会有不同的工作状态？你知道我跑外卖的工作状态是什么？
是什么？
就是走得很快。你会不会不习惯？
不会。
先上个线。
请闭嘴1秒。
See, that's what we won't do. I did do Uber for a bit. I gave it a shot. You know, did it for a good couple of weeks. And yeah, it was tough. It's way harder than a normal day job.
我就不拍了。
Good effort, yeah. You know, kind of like, a few weeks in. But honestly, it was tough. It was tough. It was like the more time you put in, the more driving you put in, the more you get paid, but then you get tired driving. You driving all day. You get tired.
咱们跑的话就对上线3单可以。
最多的时候一次送几单？
我最多送过5单吧。
For delivering food, Jared chooses a strategy of taking multiple low-paying orders at the same time.
红色的是取餐，绿色的是送餐。
In China, delivery riders have many different working modes. Riders can independently choose their own work intensity. Based on their desire to earn money, the hourly wage generally ranges from $2 to $5. For someone like Jared who works extremely hard with high intensity, his hourly wage barely reaches $4. Most delivery drivers constantly complain about the high commission fees of the platform and feel they are being exploited by capitalism. However, Jared has a completely different perspective on this.
送的人越来越多，人越多过后，厂商他就有资本去给你压价，他就有那种条件去给你压价，对吧？他就可以一步一步的试探。作为资本方来讲，他去节省他的配送成本，是他的本职工作。所以说，也不要说什么大厂他故意去压价，这个他本身就是为股东、为资本去服务的。 挣钱是他的唯一目的，
否则也出不来这个工作。
是的。
In China, almost all delivery riders ride modified and speeding electric bikes. If you do not modify your bike, you simply cannot keep up with the delivery time required by the platform, and you will be eliminated by the system. However, riding these speeding electric bikes is extremely dangerous. While Jared was making a delivery to a hospital, a very dramatic scene occurred. One of the orders he was carrying happened to be for another delivery rider who had just broken his leg from a crashing accident while delivering food.
Minus 5 social credit points.
大哥，你什么外卖的呀？你是怎么整的呀？
人家都试着找到的嘛。
你骑车你能试的呀？
对呀。
哎哦。
哦，我就说就是办嘛。
没事，好，早日康复哈。
这是你第一次送外卖送到医院，送给外卖骑手啊？
他是第一个告诉我的，给我加了10块钱，我操，他太牛逼了。
就刚才那个外卖送外卖的小哥。
对。
他被撞到是这个美团会付一部分钱吗？
不知道，我没有撞到。
The reality is that the delivery rider we just saw.
Been to Hong Kong, but haven't had a chance to go to China. I've been in China. I've been in China. It's tough. It's tough.
Most likely only has commercial accident insurance paid out of his own pocket. This is because the official work injury insurance from platforms for delivery riders did not officially start execution across all 31 provinces in China until July 1st, 2026. Under the new rules, the system pays a daily living subsidy based on the hospitalization time, provides grants for disability, and even reimburses the cost of crutches and protective gear. However, the filming time of this video was May 2020.
Yeah. China makes Palantir look like a joke for sure. Yeah, we complain, all the surveillance stuff. Not like them, guys. They're all tied to a single system.
26. The delivery rider we just met did not have any of these subsidies. He will have zero income for several months and still needs to pay the remaining 20% of the medical expenses by himself.
下雨了，我操！
Yeah.
够不够？
够不够是什么意思？够。
Hello.
你跑嘛？下雨了我也给你拍下来，我淋点雨可以的。下雨了你会回家吗？平时？
我不会回家，我会继续跑。
The weather is not on our side. We have only been delivering food for about 1 hour, and it suddenly starts to drizzle. However, we plan to follow his usual routine exactly as it is. We will keep riding and delivering through the light rain, and we will decide what to do later if the rain gets truly heavy.
这平均1个小时能挣多少钱呢
？20到30之间吧，但是只有晚上，可能只有晚上才能达到这个。
白天的时间。
Civil wars that ruin empires. Yeah.
他没有单的时候把时薪拉低。
Exactly what Jang said.
你晚上只是晚上的话，他连续几个小时有单，那么你的时薪就会很高。
最高的时候时薪能到多少
？50。
那是什么情况？下着雨吗？
下着雨没人送，10块钱一单，5单，一趟就是50，就差不多1个小时就送。
如果现在突然涨到10块，你还干吗？
干，那为什么不干？有一单10块的，我下线我专门送他。
Jared chooses a very smart strategy to deliver food. He only chooses to work during the peak hours of the evening. This way, he does not have to deal with the burning hot sun during the day, and he can ensure there are plenty of orders available. He goes out at 6 in the evening and rides until 10 at night. Working for these 4 hours brings him around 100 yuan, which is equal to about $15.
我的理想状态就是我天天出门跑，我跑一个月我跑30天，我就有3000块。但是理想很丰满，我努力跑1000块，把房租。
你现在跑单是比之前越来越少了。
对，越来越少，越来越少，
越来越不想跑单。
对，就像
Yeah,
你上了
slave labor indeed.
上了2年班，你每天睁眼就是不想上班。我这个没人管，你那个你不上班他就会有人找你，我这个他就没人找我，我不上班我就不上班。
如果让你全职跑外卖和全职上班来选一个，你选哪个？
跑外卖。
为什么？
习惯了自由，习惯跑外卖了，就已经回不去了。就是说你体验了有钱人的生活，你就回不去很贫穷的生活一样。
The price of freedom is often a low income. For Jared, freedom is definitely more important than making money. However, freedom without a solid financial foundation can easily turn into a fake freedom. Just like Jared right now, when he has to go out and deliver food simply to survive, he has already lost a part of that freedom. What is more realistic is that if they have children in the future, the pressure of life will force him to compromise with the market. The anxiety caused by this kind of future uncertainty is not any lighter than the stress of working a 996 schedule in a big tech company. Yet, just as Jared said himself, he is already completely used to his current lifestyle, and there is no going back. For the future, he can only continue to move forward along this path.
Population decline.
In the evening, it was my treat to take Jared and his delivery rider friend Steven out for a barbecue dinner. We talked a lot about his past experiences and how he walked into his
From
current
one-child
life step by
police
step.
policy,
Please
yeah.
subscribe to my channel because I will share the content of our deep conversation in the future. In addition, Steven is a full-time delivery rider, and the video documenting his entire day has already been posted on my main page. You are more than welcome to watch it. Thank you for watching.
Damn. 100K videos on that one. 100K views for that one. Crazy. Crazy. Inside China Lives. Modern China Lives.
What does 50 cents buy you? In China, it gets you a...
It's live? What's live? What is live? 5.6 is live already? No. No way. They do it at this time out of all times? Why would they do it? Why would they do live? What's live? What's live? What are you saying is live? Can't confirm? It's not live. No way. What's live? I'm like, huh? What's live? Eh? Live? It's like 10 a.m. PST. Yeah, it's not yet. 10 a.m. PST. It'll be available. What's this? Living in a Tesla expensive city, San Jose?
No! Oh my god!
You got a Tesla though? Wait, isn't this like one of the expensive ones too? The one with the Model Y and stuff? That the doors go up? Yeah? Jesus. X trolling you? Oh no. Yeah, you've been trolled. What was the troll? $42K? Oh my gosh. Should I just live in something to... It's on Discord? Oh. He said, OpenAI launched optimized for reliability execution coding. He says sparked user comparison. Okay. Living, yeah. Is it really living? Ford Escort. He's role playing, dude. He's role playing.
Hi, I was calling if you guys take the savings plan for the discount for dental. It's called Aetna Savings Plan.
I believe we do.
He has a drone too?
I think we do. I just have to double check. Give me just a moment. Let me double check for you.
Okay, thank you.
You would pay
Total role playing, guys. How much is a Model Y again, guys? How much is a Model Y? Or wait, which one? Is that the right one? Is it a Model X, Y, Z? Which model is that? I can't tell anymore. It's a Model Y. 60K? You got the ones with the the doors that flap up. Or is that always like that? Wait, this doesn't look like those doors, right? Either way, they're not cheap.
Okay, and then how much do you think it would be to remove an ingrown canine tooth? It's surgical removal.
So we don't do extractions in office. We would have to refer you to an oral surgeon.
Oh my gosh, I almost just dropped my chips. Yeah. Oats. Nice cheap oats. Microwave. Whey for protein. Berries. Yeah, he's cosplaying, dude. He's cosplaying.
Alright guys, let's talk about it. I need surgery on my tooth, and I'm setting up an appointment tomorrow at 1:30 to finally get this tooth looked at. I went to like 4 different dentists because I have this dental savings discount plan called Aetna Dental, and not a lot of places accept it. So I've been going around, shopping around for places that actually accept the plan. So I'm going back and forth with that. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Nico. I've been living in my Tesla for the past 2 years now. I used to work at Tesla, got laid off, and yeah, now I live in it full time. And we're in the Bay Area, California, so excited to show you guys the rig and pretty much my daily routine.
2 years
inside the car. And I'm also self-employed, and I'm guessing self-employment is like frowned upon in society. So I'm like, you know, I don't have dental insurance. I have the savings plan, and if I went with dental insurance with like Delta Dental, I would have to wait 6 months in order to get an appointment to get surgical tooth removal, and that's going to be a whole half year until I get it fixed. So I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to get it done right away. So in the process of that. While I'm waiting,
How do you
limbo
poop?
For that,
He goes to
for
public
the dentist
restrooms.
appointment, gonna go rock climb for a majority of the day. So we'll see y'all in the gym. All right, fam. So if you guys are new to rock climbing and you don't know what the hell this is, so this is a V6. Now they grade V1 being super easy, beginner level. 2 to 3, you're getting more into it, and then 4, 5, and 6 V, they're like pretty much like.
Yeah, he's chilling, man.
So I did a V6 here for I think the second or third time, and also this is a V4. So I've been getting in tune into rock climbing. It really gets you into the mood of like just what's in front of you, being present, touching whatever, you know. Is
But
in
he
front
worked
of you.
at Tesla.
Pause.
He's doing well.
But it gets you grounded, and it really keeps my head like level. So this is not just for physical movement, but it's also mentally too. And I hope you guys, you know, go rock climbing once in your life. Welcome.
Yeah. Depends if he's like an engineer or one of the Optimus replaceables. Yeah, one or the other. But I don't think you'd afford this car if, you know. Oh my gosh, one of my videos got blocked on YouTube for something. Did I get banned on YouTube already for something, guys? Am I still streaming on YouTube? I gotta notice. Guys. What happened? Let's see. Did I get banned, guys? Or is it just one of my other YouTubes? Alright, I'm still streaming. That means it's just one of my videos did copyright of something. It better not be your song. Better not be your song, what do you call it? You guys send YouTube the trump card. Partially blocked. Okay, it's partially blocked. Okay. Not. Alright. Only blocked in Russia and Belarus. Blocked in Russia and Belarus. Maybe I watched something about China or something. Potential earning. Guys, I make no money from YouTube yet. Staring at the ceiling. My bad, Russians. Yeah, guys. We're not profitable yet, guys. We have 2,500 hours to go. I just gotta not be lazy and focus on YouTube for the rest of my usage. It's all gonna be about YouTube, guys. YouTube.
To the Cooking with Nico show, where we are cooking some eggs.
Interesting that he has the cover. I probably would have never
Slight slant right now.
gotten the cover,
So everything's moving to the left.
but maybe it's because of the wind. The blocks aren't helping the algorithm. Yeah, it's not. Damn, he has guys. This guy's doing well, guys. He has an automated thing that puts out his salt and pepper. Yeah, the blocks aren't helping the algorithm. We gotta figure out what to do.
I wish I could tell you the reality of living in a car is like, you know, sunshine and rainbows, you got a nice view, but most of the time it's like this, where you have like a back space to the corner, and then, you know, you're just in a parking lot. This is 95% of my life is just cooking outside and enjoying nature, enjoying outdoors. Because that's what living in a car does is like it forces you to be outside and to enjoy, you know, the scenery rather than being inside and stuff.
Yeah.
All right, the key to cooking some really good
Or just
eggs
hanging out
is
at a
to not
library.
touch it and leave the heat
Canning
on low.
vegetable oil
Also,
on your Tesla.
Not sponsored, but if you guys are living inside a car, a huge tip is to get some egg cartons like this. I'll have a link in the description, but these are egg cartons that you could stack on top of each other. So when you're car camping and you have a fridge, the eggs aren't going to crack. So you could just stack these as high as you can, and then
Invited to the
you know, you're
tailgates.
gonna have eggs that are like fresh instead of those 12 dozen ones where it takes a space like this. This kind of breaks it down, and you can increase the height of your fridge.
Still looks
This
wobbly.
is about the time when you flip it. See how I just didn't do anything to this. Look at that. And then you just.
That was a bad flip. That was a bad flip.
Comment below. Oh, we got it, baby. Let's go.
Oh no, it broke, guys. It broke.
So as a full-time content creator, I'm trying to give y'all these sweet,
Guys.
the best shots.
Guys, he's pretty stressed, guys. He's pretty stressed. Look at his hair. I don't know. All the other angles didn't point out his hair until this angle right here. Guys, he's stressed as hell, guys. He's stressed as hell. You don't get gray hair just like that, guys. I usually just use chopsticks to flip your eggs. Oh, yeah.
It's possible. You're talking drone shots, action cameras, and now 360 cameras. So DJI reached out to me a few weeks ago. They sent me the DJI Osmo 360 camera. I've been loving it ever since, been using it everywhere. But I wanted to also get another 360 camera to compare it to see which one was better. So I got the Insta360 X5 and I wanted to compare it to the DJI Osmo 360 camera, so let's go. In my opinion, the square size of the Osmo 360 is a better size for your pocket. Here's where it gets interesting. The Osmo 360 has a super night mode, which brings up the clarity in low light situations. And as you can see, the concrete is a little bit darker with the instant.
Or wait, is it because this is an old video? He looked like he had white, looked like he had normal hair. Did he just dye the hair? I mean, I guess that must be like an old video, huh? It must be an old video. Because he has super gray hair here.
So it stays cold in here. 26 degrees all day, all night.
That must have been an old video.
The benefits of having a Tesla is that the fridge runs on basically the battery of the car itself, and there's no need for ice or anything like that. And that's one of the main reasons why I got the Tesla, is because things like that.
He's on
Just makes
peptides
life a whole
now.
lot easier, and it makes it feel like you're living inside a home. Damn. No, 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 no! Oh my god! The wind just carried it. Bro.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Alright. That's the one thing about having the shield. It's like flappy. Alright, another tip.
Yeah.
I keep giving away all
You
my
already got the
secrets,
eggs.
man. So, you have the fork that's disposable because it's from Trader Joe's. Then we have plastic plates or and napkins, right? So everything is like disposable, and
How does he
always
wash?
carry a Ziploc
Water.
bag that seals everything. This is going to basically negate the possibility of having it smell inside your car. Like having garbage inside your car is gonna really like make it like nasty. So in order to avoid that, it's airtight, it's air sealed. So when you throw it away, the stink all stays inside a Ziploc bag. All right, it's all clean, good to go. All right, fam. We're inside the Tesla van. So let's talk places that, you want to sleep overnight or camp at. And, so my number one would be hotel parking lots. And then Also, number 2 would be 24-hour gyms, and another one could be sleeping overnight at a gas station like a Love's. Not any gas station, not like Shell or anything like that. Don't camp overnight at Shells or Arcos or anything like that. But Love's is a really good one. I've actually asked Love's.
I feel like people would notice his car sticks out so bad, right? It's a Tesla, but at the same time, it has a bunch of cameras on it, so you could immediately get notified if somebody's nearby.
One time, if I could camp overnight inside the parking lot, and they said I had 24 hours from the time that I asked. So if you are trying to car camp overnight in a place, Love's is a really good option. But I really like hotel parking lots, and yeah. So as long as you camp overnight and you have a bathroom, you'll be good. So another one would be residential neighborhoods. But a very good tip for you guys is if you're trying to live inside your car, is to park in the residential neighborhood, but also make sure it's near a 24-hour gym like Anytime Fitness or Planet Fitness, and that way you have an access to a bathroom while you're sleeping overnight at the residential address of in the residential neighborhood, right? So hopefully that helps you guys. Trying to give you guys more tips and tricks. If you guys are actually trying to do this lifestyle, if you're trying to avoid paying rent, if you're out and about and don't want to deal with that, this is an alternative that may be good for you. Yeah, so let me go and show you guys what I have for like water and power. Here we go. For power, I have my Blue Yeti power bank, and this one sits right here in the back of my Tesla Model X. It's a good sponsor. Water, I have a Dometic water jug. It's 3 gallons, and that's hooked up to a Dometic pump right there. And I also have a microwave right here I picked up from Walmart. Don't be jealous. Go and get your own. So Walmart, really recommend. And then REI was the 3-gallon jug, and Blue Yeti. All that is linked in the description if you guys want to get those. I do have a Keurig, and I got a pillow from REI, and this bed I got from Amazon. So this is basically minimalistic lifestyle at its best. And
not with a Tesla, but yeah, sure.
Yeah, really like the space, and it's a little spaceship. The reason why I live in a Tesla, guys, is because of the camp mode. Now you could sleep overnight, and it could take only 1% to 2% per hour, depending on how cold or hot it is outside. But the great thing about camp mode is that it stays on all night, and you're not running an engine. It's not loud. It is a little bit, but not very noticeable. And condensation on the windows, it doesn't happen because the airflow is going inside the car. And yeah, so I hope that helps. And inspire you guys to go out and car.
Let me see. Damn. Holy moly. What the heck? It's getting a bunch of... Man, this is a site. This is a cool website. I want my website to look like this. Damn. Looking good. 200 plus accessories and counting. Holy moly. I need my site to look like this. Imagine if we sold everything and drove around in those. Right? It doesn't seem like everything you do inside your car record you like a Tesla strapped with Starlink. Yeah. Crazy. And it's electric. Looks good. Looks good, I do admit. It looks pretty good.
Car camp and enjoy nature and be outside. Just came back, got some groceries. Ain't this a blessing? We got ground beef, we got chicken masala, We got mashed potatoes. Also picked up
Yeah, Chinese EV.
Thai wheat noodles that I could just microwave, so these are really quick. So these are all to-go foods basically.
Guys.
And this is one that
That whole thing would last me like 2 days, maybe at most.
I gotta cook. And
With his body, man, he could eat all this in like one meal.
also, we got some eggs. We gotta put this all away. In the
Drive
fridge.
back. Yeah, he drives back to his condo. Damn, he even has to put the napkins in his thing so it doesn't crap. Yeah, this is it's cosplay. It almost
this
feels like.
carton is now this carton, and now it can stack properly inside the fridge. And the reason why I put paper
This is
towel
just
in there
those
is
join
because
me on my
sometimes
hike.
The egg can kind of like get frozen and then it leaks onto
Except
the carton.
for a
so that's
Tech Bro
why
Tesla
I
Chad,
put
yeah.
paper towel on it, so that way I just throw the paper towel away and then reinsert another paper towel so it doesn't get dirty everywhere with all the yolk. Alright, so one of the benefits of living inside a car is that you get to go to parks anytime, anywhere. I'd rather be doing this than working a 9-to-5 job, that's for sure. So we're gonna go to a park and it's gonna be really fun. Gonna take you
Guys, he has the advanced Oakley sports glasses too. It's the YouTube money, guys. It's the YouTube money.
guys along for the journey. Alright fam, so unfortunately I don't have a bike inside my car. There's a lot of space in here, but we're gonna go rent one because I seen one over here. Yeah guys, I really want like a bike or a
I see one over here. I'm just gonna snag it.
scooter or like a skateboard in the car, but right now I don't have room in it. I mean, there is room, but you know, it's better to rent it. So we got one of these like Google Gemini bikes. We're gonna go ahead and scan the QR code and then hop on one of these. I think it's like 20 bucks, but let's see. All right, so all we gotta do is scan it. Oh, it's a lift bike. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lift
Here we
off.
go snorkeling.
Yeah, I'm up to ride it. Oh, cool. Here we go. Oi.
Oh no.
All right, we figured it out. The first bike didn't even have a chain. I paid like $5 for it. What the hell? All right, anyways, let's get on a ride, shall we? Here we go. All right, you're probably wondering, Nico, where are you at?
Oh,
it's
man.
almost near the San Jose airport, and I can hear like a lot of airplanes going by and stuff. Man, this is pretty cool, man. Check me out, though.
Check me out.
I really wish I had a bike or a scooter or a skateboard in the car to really enjoy nature and be outdoors, man. This is fun. Hell yeah. Woohoo! We have made it to a garden. Whoa, look at all these flowers and stuff. Don't really have a plan at all. I'm just going around Santa Clara, San Jose area. There's this whole giant bike path. Whoa. Take a look at these murals under the bridge. Here we go! All right, chat, comment below. Are you a summer person or are you a winter person? I, on the other hand, am a 1000% a summer person, man. It gets dark at 9 p.m. You ain't gotta worry about it being cold. You can wear shorts,
Yeah, you
you ain't
got a
gotta
full
bundle
one.
up. You get to ride bikes outside all day. Man, what a time to be alive. We're like in the
It's
middle.
so noticeable
we're in
though,
the start
and
of
people
freaking
steal
summer,
stuff
guys.
all the time in the
And
Bay
it's
Area.
almost 4th of July. Comment below.
Especially
What are you guys
bikes.
doing for
Bikes
4th
are
of July?
stolen all the time in the Bay Area.
All right, if you guys are a very familiar San Jose resident, California, you know this sign right here. Damn guys, I'm riding around the San Jose airport and like, tell you guys a story, man. I was actually supposed to go to the Air Force. So I was supposed to be dealing with planes and stuff back in 2018. And I was actually at the Military Entrance Processing Center. And then they had found that I had bradycardia, so an abnormal slow heart rhythm. I don't have it anymore, but my heart rate was at 26 beats per minute.
10
and
mil?
The nurse that had taken my pulse, she thought I was gonna pass out. She was like, you should not be
5
like,
mil? What?
able to stand. Do you need help? And I was like,
Offer me?
I'm good, I'm fine. I could just walk out of here.
Huh?
And then, long story short, they put me inside an ambulance on purpose and by force. And I was actually billed, I think like a couple grand for that hospital bill. And then they said, you're not fit for the military, you can't go. And there's something to be said about
what the heck?
Rejection. And it's not rejection if you look at it that way, it's redirection, right? What if something bad was gonna happen, you know? Or like, that just wasn't my calling.
You got screwed over, man.
I was supposed to work at Tesla.
By the Air Force.
That was my calling, right? And so, you know, you think about these bad things, and bad things happen, yes, but it's kind of what you do after the fact, right? And it's not if bad things happen, it's when.
Oh my God, there's a guy chasing right after him.
You know, you gotta take it in stride, man, and take it as a, lesson. You know, for every lesson, there is a blessing. You know what I'm saying? And like, you know, a rejection is redirection, right? When I got laid off from Tesla, same story, right? Then I became a YouTuber, right? So it's like, bad things are gonna happen, but it's what you do after it. Bro,
Me, I would have dashed.
This part of San Jose existed. We're like in some underground tunnels. Part of the journey is the end. Here we go. Oh, yeah.
I always found this part of the little stage where like you have to set up the camera, and then you have to drive back and then ride back in to stage it in. Imagine his children are like, my dad lived in a Tesla as a YouTuber. Like, oh, yeah.
All right, total fare cost. It's 20 bucks. Not bad for a bike ride all across the downtown area plus around San Jose Airport. Really fun. Highly recommend. All right, guys. So this In-N-Out right here on New Hall near the San Jose Airport. Me and my brother Alec used to work at this one when we were in college. Man, memories, man. I used to work here for about maybe 2.5 years, and I was a level 5 cook. So I was flipping the burgers and stuff. What a humbling, full circle hero's journey moment, man. We're back here at the New Hall Drive In-N-Out. This is so cool.
Hello,
hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get for you?
Can I have a double animal style, extra toast cut in half with 1 fry? And I'll eat inside the car and 1 water, please. Yeah.
Just a double animal style, extra toast cut
What's
in
my
half,
level,
fry, and a
Navy?
water cup.
Yep. You know, having
You gotta do it at
worked
Navy.
In-N-Out
At
for
Navy.
a lot of years, it's still my favorite food next to salmon. So those are like my favorite foods, plus eggs. So eggs, ground beef, salmon, and then In-N-Out. Those are like my top favorite foods.
Number 30 and 31.
Damn, bro. I remember right there, I would take out the trash right there in the back, and then we would go right here to the trash compactor. Man, what a full circle moment. I remember working here and it was hot all the time.
Is it working? I'm not
Oh,
sure.
man. Yeah, right there. You used to cut the potatoes right there in the back room. Crazy. I see it on my old coworker.
It works?
It's crazy.
No.
Hello.
Any ketchup?
1 spread, please. All right. Thank you so much.
It's not working. What kind of response is that?
Ladies and gentlemen. All right, here it is.
My
in all its
points are
glory.
binary.
Double, animal style, cut in half with a fry. I know what y'all saying. You want to In-N-Out, and I bought Cheetos. I got lazy. I didn't want to cook. So, this is pretty cool. This is like a van almost inside here, man.
Wait, why is he talking as if He just started doing this.
So the very first thing I do, I always eat the fries first.
What?
Damn. Thick. Look at that.
Oh my god. I gotta do that.
It's about to go down.
Oh, have better.
Here it is. Double.
Bike ride 8 in now. Yeah.
Getting the burger cut in half is a game changer. Because sometimes
I gotta
it's
tell
just
that.
too messy. And you know, you don't want to mess with all the
I gotta tell that to me
burger
next
all
time.
at once. You want to eat half
I gotta do that.
at a time. I actually never explained my tattoo on here, on this YouTube channel. Basically, this is a Polynesian tattoo. This
You
is
just
the
started
Filipino
doing
sun. This is the Marquesian cross, and then the arrowheads are here, and then it's like spearheads for like a warrior, and then this is called the Lahala, which is basically a basket weave, and damn it, I just dropped the lettuce, and it's like togetherness, so that's why it's a circle. I also got inspired by The Rock, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. He's my inspiration, and Filipino sun, 3 stars. It's also got
I'll support the Filipinos.
birds on there to represent my family members, and it's a shield on my left non-dominant hand, and
Tries different boba shops.
But it basically
probably.
is Filipino culture. I'm Filipino, so that's why I got it. Always remember where you come from, your heritage, and
welcome.
be humble, be happy but humble, right? This is actually my only tattoo, and I want to get more, like on the sleeves and stuff, but it takes time and stuff, but maybe in the future. All right, fam, it has officially been 2 days of no shower, so let's go shower at the climbing gym, shall we?
At least he filmed by himself.
All right, stealth camping in San Jose, California. Here we go. We ain't paying rent. What is that?
Saves a lot of money, especially in the Bay Area. Rent's expensive, guys.
Oh, what a day. What a good bike ride. What a good rock climb session today. Oh. All right, gonna go to sleep. Hopefully we don't get the knock tonight. We are stealth camping in a 24-hour gym parking lot. So we'll see y'all in the morning. Just want to say thank y'all for watching. Appreciate all the support. If you guys are tuning in, comment below where you're tuning in from.
Have a good night. Have a good night, man. Oh, you starting the day already? God damn it.
We woke up, guys. No knock.
You didn't cover the top part properly, but...
Grateful to be alive and to live another day, baby.
Morning.
Oh, man. What a time to be alive.
Oh man, he has a lot of patrons.
Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Appreciate the love and support, and we'll see y'all in the next episode. Peace.
Damn. He gets to do this every day, huh? Oh, where was he living before? Tesla? This Tesla? Still in his Tesla? Different Tesla? Wait, this is months ago. A video every month? Oh no, ticks. Tick infestation? What? Oh my god. You got ticks? Surgery? Man, something always happening. Something always happening, guys. But he trusts the Tesla. He trusts the Tesla. He trusts it. He bought another one or recolored it. He bought the Model X. Okay, it's a Model X. We were wrong, guys. It's not a Model Y. It's a Model X. That's what where the wings fly up. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna call it. It's already 1 a.m., guys. I should have been asleep 3 hours ago. Okay, guys. Check you out tomorrow. New release 6.5.6.6.7. All right, guys. Okay, guys. No music. No music to end the day. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Gotta get some sleep. Gotta get some sleep. Hopefully, guys. Oh, I already used my rate limit too. It's at 100%. All right. See you twice. See you twice. Same thing is happening. Goodbye. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Guys, I probably won't even have usage for 5.6 tomorrow, guys. All right. See you tomorrow, guys. Probably just be a bunch of YouTube and reacting. I have no usage.